Right? Okay.
After, can I put it on my head?
Ugh. Hold on, I'm gonna do a couple more things.
And then I want to do my own. I like that when it does a wheelie.
Ready?
I'm gonna turn around.
My Kraton steering is garbage. It sucks too because I have a good servo, but the servo saver just always goes flat on me. And then it doesn't have any power. If you see any rope on the ground, grab it.
Why would happen?
Huh?
I said, why would happen?
That way if one of ours dies and the other one works, we don't have to carry it.
It's not like they're that heavy.
That one's a pain in the butt, and carrying it from the railroad tracks, I've done it. That one's still fun, but it's a lot harder to get. You need to come like closer to the road. That one's harder to get air in though. You gotta wait till you're facing down to hit the gas. And you didn't go too fast, you went too soon. Yeah, right when you start going down. There you go.
Thanks. I really needed that.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, yes.
It's too wide. That scared me. I was like, what do you do?
No!
Oh no. Let's just go to that road. Go to that road. Ah!
I actually want a truck to come and run it over.
No, I know. It probably wouldn't break. It's an Xmaxx.
He probably would have drove around it. My pants were falling down the entire time.
Oh yeah. Ah! Nobody's ever done it to me.
Yeah, it doesn't feel too good, does it? I didn't do that on purpose. I was trying to do it to your car.
Hopefully there's no train coming. See, this is a death wish because boom, I can't see it. And now I can't drive it. Like, I wouldn't dare drive it without being able to see it. You're gonna join me, aren't you?
Oh,
You flipped, but I didn't hear you hit mine.
I put the brakes on it, so I didn't want to hit yours.
I heard it like on the pavement, the body.
Yeah, me too.
One time I had my truck parked to the left here and I was gonna jump this. It was right like the day I bought my Xmaxx and got it in the mail. And I jumped it coming this way and I lost control and like hit the front of my truck. Ended up really close to each other.
No. I think this way jumping is better.
Yeah. Woo, that's bright. A train just came by here. I can smell it. This is where I took the pictures for my YouTube channel. There's a rock in my shirt. Oh no, that's a beetle. There's a beetle in my shirt. Yeah, it's definitely better to jump it from down here. That's the way I always do it. Just don't lose control and wreck everything. Ready?
I can't even see it because of the tree.
That was a rough landing for going that fast.
I don't know where mine is. I can't even see it.
Oh, poor body. Stop. I wonder if I can jump this. They kind of cut the grass a little bit, so. I hit a piece of freaking railroad tie down there. 180. That's pretty cool. It's still too tall of grass. The tires squealing.
No.
That's going in the video. You're going way too slow.
Battery.
That was a cool jump. Does it really? Good luck carrying it. Check this jump out. Does it still have steering?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's dead. Well, let's look for a piece of rope or something.
I should probably turn the remote off too.
Yeah, you can. I don't know where it is. Uh-oh. That was cool on that like raised bit. I'm gonna chance it. Didn't even look for cars because my car was there and it was more important. I'd be so mad if I lost turning here. That sounds cool from down here. Oh, I'm so glad I was recording.
Gotta do it for the angle.
Right?
I'll carry it like this.
The way it landed on the wing and just...
Don't do it.
Oh my God, you're like an inch off it.
Okay, now I'm actually gonna jump over it.
You did actually jump over it.
Trick.
Man, when you're driving it, you know where it's gonna go, so it's easy.
Mine's stuck in the middle of the road, I can't move it.
That was a good one. Low voltage.
Watch it run over it.
I just hit low voltage. I almost did get run over.
I had to put it in there sideways.